Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can pause your search history on YouTube. So for this, you need to open your YouTube first, and inside of your YouTube, you want to click on your profile picture at the top right. Once you click on it, you can see this option called settings. Click on settings, and inside of settings, you can see this option called manage all history. Click on manage all history, and once you click on it, it'll take you to your Google account settings. So wait for some time until the setting loads up. And over here, you can see this option called saving your YouTube history. You want to click on saving your YouTube history. And over here, you can see this option called turn off. You want to click on turn off, and it says pause YouTube history. Click on pause and basically wait for some time, and your YouTube history will be paused just like this. Click on got it, and now you have done it. Now your YouTube history will be paused. So the next time you search for something, it's not going to be saved. Until and unless this setting is not turned again, it is not going to start saving your search history. So you need to keep that in mind. So hope you understand on how you guys can pause your search history on YouTube. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel 1 to step for future videos just like this related with YouTube. And if you're curious on how to turn it off, just come to the same place where you guys came just to turn it off, and click on turn on this time. And click on turn on, and it should basically work. As you guys can see, it is on now. So just click on got it. So hope you understand.